question asks us to predict the product of this monohalogenation reaction, decide whether that reaction will be selective, and to justify our choice. A bromination reaction is selected for the most substituted carbon in the molecule that has a hydrogen attached. That would be one of the tertiary carbons up on the top of the molecule. So the product of this reaction will be this product here. Now we need to decide if this product will be selective. The answer is yes, this reaction will be selective. Our starting material is a symmetric starting material. There's a plane of symmetry running through the center of this molecule that makes both of these methyl groups equivalent to each other across that plane of symmetry. Whether I flip this molecule over, both of these methyl groups are interchangeable, which means both of these tertiary carbons are interchangeable, which means both of the CH bonds attached to those tertiary carbons are interchangeable. That means that for this monohalogenation reaction, it doesn't matter which CH bond reacts on the tertiary carbons, we'll get the same product regardless. So yes, this monohalogenation will be selective because the molecule is symmetric and there's only one kind of tertiary CH bond in this molecule.